I'm standing on the balcony of the new villas at the Disneyland Hotel. Just opening today, this new DVC tower at the Disneyland Resort. Let's go in and take a look. Let's start on the second floor of the two-story, three-bedroom grand villa. Going to take a look here at one of the bedrooms. This is a Moana-themed bedroom. We've got a couple of queen beds in here. Really nice lighting fixture. In the bathroom, kind of cute little infinity mirror happening with the two mirrors on the opposite sides. Let's head across the way to this Frozen-themed bedroom. Pretty much the same as the other side. Two queen beds over here as well. After this, let's head down that spiral staircase to the first floor of the grand villa, where you see the living room here, and that leads us into the main bedroom, which is going to be themed to Bambi. Let's start over here by this view that you've got of the other towers in the Disneyland Hotel. Prices for the three-bedroom grand villa start at, if you have to ask, you can't afford it. But check out this huge bathroom in there. So you're definitely getting what you're not paying for it, but somebody is. Nice tub there, and of course, showers. Stepping out of the bathroom and across the living room over to the dining area, where we've got a nice little convenient table for 12, as well as a full kitchen for anyone who wants to pony up. Lowest price I could find was about $3,800 a night for this three-bedroom grand villa. But let's take a look at some of the other properties inside what they're calling the Discovery Tower at the Disneyland Hotel. Really nice murals out there on the hallways as well. And we're going to step into a two-bedroom suite this time. This one is themed to Fantasia, and you can see the kitchenette that's available in this room. We've got a couple of pull-out beds there in the kitchen and dining area as well. But let's just take a look over here at one of the two bedrooms in this two-bedroom villa. This, again, themed to Fantasia, and you've got really nice, although much smaller bathroom over here for probably, I don't know, the parents or whoever is staying in this part. And then over here on the other side, we've got the second bedroom where we've got two beds over here for the rest of the family or the group that would be staying at the two bedroom. And again, you've got a little nice view of the pool outside here as well. Heading over to the one-bedroom villas now, you can see the Steamboat Willie kids splash pad down there in the pool area at the DVC Tower. And this is a one-bedroom, absolutely stunning Princess and the Frog-themed one-bedroom villa. Nice portrait of Tiana that we've got over there. We'll take a quick little view into the bathroom in this part of it, but this is a one-bedroom suite. So as we turn around, and we'll take a look at that bedroom right now. Again, queen bed there, lovely mural over that. Opposite view, you can see the main bathroom that's inside there, and then just some of the lovely decorative work that we've got. Now let's take a look at one of the deluxe studios. These aren't nearly as big, but you do have that pull-down Murphy-style bed there, and this is a Sleeping Beauty-themed deluxe studios. The smallest, however, are the duo studios, where there's no main bed at all. There's just that pull-down that comes down over the couch. This is Jungle Cruise-themed, and it's pegged for a couple, two people to stay in here. Again, that's what suffices for the kitchen in there, and these have been a view of the rooms. So that's it for our tour of the villas at the Disneyland Hotel, the new DVC property. For more coverage of what's coming next at Disney, stay tuned to themeparkinsider.com. As Mickey says, see you real soon.